Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to resize your Chrome browser window to a custom size using a helpful extension. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to have your Google Chrome browser open on your computer. Once it's launched, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three vertical dots. This is your Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. When you hover over it, a secondary menu will slide out to the side. This submenu contains all your extension-related options. From here, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to Chrome's official extension marketplace where you can browse and install various tools to enhance your browser's functionality. Once the Chrome Web Store loads, you'll notice a search bar positioned at the top of the page. Click on this search bar and type in Window Resizer. This extension is specifically designed to help you resize your browser window to exact dimensions, which is perfect for testing responsive designs, creating screenshots, or simply organizing your workspace more efficiently. After searching, you'll see the Window Resizer extension appear in the results. Look for the button that says Add to Chrome and click on it. A confirmation pop-up will then appear on your screen asking you to verify the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. The extension will download and install automatically, which should only take a few seconds. You'll see a notification confirming that Window Resizer has been added to Chrome. Now that the extension is installed, look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser, near the address bar. You'll see a puzzle piece icon which represents your extensions. Click on this icon to open your extensions menu. From the list that appears, find and click on Window Resizer to launch the tool. The Window Resizer interface will now open, showing you various preset window sizes. However, since you want a custom size, direct your attention to the bottom of the Window Resizer panel. You'll see a field where you can input your own custom dimensions. Simply enter the width and height you want for your browser window in this field. Once you've typed in your desired measurements, click the right arrow button next to the field to apply your custom size. Your Chrome window will immediately resize to match the exact dimensions you specified. And that's it! Your Chrome browser is now resized to your custom dimensions, giving you precise control over your window size. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.